Hi. I'm going to be running a very special workshop on the 20th of February, which is the 24 spiritual gifts. People have asked me about it. I've been teaching this for quite a few years now, and what it does is allow you to find out what your spiritual gift is. There's 24 main ones. There's a questionnaire about it. There's also discussions about the characteristics and traits of each of the 24 spiritual gifts, also the occupation of a person, if whatever your gift is. So, and come and do the course. It's a very interesting course, and usually what happens is you get to write down what you think your spiritual gift is, or your learnt abilities, or your natural talent you were born with. And quite often the spiritual gift is not the one you think it is. The one that ends up being the one is not the one that you put number one. And so it's always fascinating. I always find it interesting how that works out. It does. And so come along and find out what it is. As I say, it's a very cool, because then if you're living your life doing your spiritual gift, or your occupation is your spiritual gift, your life's very easy because you're doing something you love. Yep. And quite often people will say to me, I said, I wouldn't have picked that one. And I said, yeah, do you like doing it? I said, I've always loved doing that. And so I think it's a great way to discover part of yourself and who you are as a person. And so come and do the course. It's fascinating. Come and join me. Bye-bye.